Crocamole.
So much happening on a movie set.
But when the director yells cut,
Everyone stops. It's kind of like musical statues.
Yeah, let's give it a try. Okay, all right. Everyone into their places?
Yes.
Okay. And action.
Little Red Riding Hood, picking flowers in the wood.
Cut. Oh, pretty good. Action.
Off to visit Grandma's house.
Cut. Oh, you guys enjoyed it too. Action.
Little Red Riding Hood.
oh, I'll be the wolf.
Okay. I'll be Grandma now.
There's a wolf and he's really mean.
Ow!
Biggest wolf I've ever seen.
Cut. Oh, action.
He wants to catch Grandmama.
Cut.
Biggest
Action.
wolf I've ever seen.
Nice work.
I'll be the woodcutter.
I don't like this wolf very much.
Here we go. Here we go.
Action.
Woodcutter passing by.
Cut. This is way too much fun. Action.
Red Riding Hood gives a cry.
Help! Runs and rescues everyone.
Cut. Action.
They all have a big
cut.
sigh.
Action.
Goodness. Everyone's happy now.
Everybody's happy.
Good work, actors.
Everybody's happy now.
Yes, they are.
Everybody's happy now.
Yes, they are.
Let's
So
all
have
Action.
a jolly good time.
Action.
Everybody's happy now.
They didn't listen. Action.
Oh, that was so tough.
That was. You made a really good woodcutter.
You made a really good Red Riding Hood.
And Grandma. I think Croc was a pretty good director too.
Lovely work, actors. Lovely work.
Thank you, Director
Thanks,
Croc.
Croc.